Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I use to prep my skin and how I do it in under 5 minutes. I'm going to be talking about everything that I use and why I use it. I cannot skip this. My skin just does not feel the same if I do not include this in my makeup routine. So if you guys are interested, then please keep on watching. Usually when I first wake up in the morning, I always wash my face, and I've been washing my face with this. This is from MD Acne. It's a customized system for your skin. So you actually take a picture of your skin, and based on the results it will customize a face wash for you as well as a day and night cream. So that's what I do before I even start my makeup, and usually that's hours before. So now I'm gonna start my skin prep. I did want to include that just so that way you guys know what I actually use to wash my face. I've been using it for almost 2 months now. Alexa, set a timer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes, starting now.
So I always use a lip mask first. This is from Best Damn Beauty. This keeps my lips super moisturized. This is the only thing that I found to really work for my lips because I tend to have very dry lips, and living in New Jersey, especially in the winter, my lips get really bad, so I just use that all year round. So next I usually use a spot treatment. I will either use one of these. This one's from MD Acne, and this one is a new one that I've been using. This is from La Roche-Posay, or LRP. This is a dual action acne cream. Since I've had kids, my skin breaks out a lot more, especially since I've had Nathan. So I do need some type of spot treatments. Like I can feel I have a few under the skin right here. So I'm just going to apply that to my face. Next, I always go in with an eye cream because I actually have very dry under eyes. This is, I'm almost running out. This is from Charlotte LaCroix. I have like none left. So I'm just going to tap that out. And I'm going to use my ring finger to apply this. That's usually what I do because it uses less pressure than my other fingers, and just kind of tap that in. So that's that. Alexa, how much time do I have left?
You have 2 minutes and 50 seconds left on your 5-minute timer.
So next I go in with a serum. This is from H2O Beauty. I like serums just because they really target specific problems with your skin. So for me lately, because I've been using that face wash, it kind of dries out my skin. So this serum is more hydrating. Then I always use the excess and put it on my hands because it just adds a lot more moisture to my hands, since my hands are pretty dry, and I feel like my hands look like old lady hands, to be honest. So next I go in with a moisturizer. This is the moisturizer that I've been using. This is from Ole Henriksen. This smells very, very fresh. I love it. It's very moisturizing, and I just feel like you could see the glow it gives your skin. Alexa, how much time do I have left?
You have 1 minute and 20 seconds left on your 5-minute timer.
So I like to let that sink into my skin. Kind of just pat that in, and you can see how glowy my skin looks just from using those couple things that I used. And then I like to go in with a primer. This is the NYX Angel Veil Primer. And this is a really good drugstore primer. This one's my favorite. It's not drying. I cannot use a drying primer right now with the way that my skin is. This just helps blur out any imperfections that I have. And I just use this mostly in my T-zone to blur out any imperfections that I have right here, because I do have larger pores, and I have a lot of fine lines in my forehead, and I like to use it in my laugh lines. So you can see how glowy my skin looks. And that is it for my 5 minutes. Alexa, stop. So that is how I prep my skin before I do my makeup. I feel as though it is totally necessary to do this before I do my makeup, just so that way my makeup looks flawless. I feel as though prepping the skin really makes a difference. I cannot not do my makeup. I mean, I cannot not prep my skin before I do my makeup. All these steps are just totally necessary when I'm doing my makeup, and especially now because my skin has been a little bit different. It's been more on the drier side. I just feel like the extra hydration is definitely needed. So you can see the glowiness on my skin right now. I will leave all the links below to everything that I used. Also, if you found this helpful, subscribe, because I am going to be posting more 5-minute videos, just quick, very to the point videos. Make sure you subscribe so that way you never miss a video, and also give this video a thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next video.